Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Anodizers RI Ken Rowe here with the newest sonic screwdriver mod that we have turned into a vaping pen. You can see the 510 socket there. Any normal atomizer will screw right onto that, as we can see. Oh. This is a Doctor Who 11th sonic screwdriver universal remote, first edition, with the claws that do not open. I opened it up, took out guts that needed to be taken out, so it's no longer a universal remote control. Rigged it with two switches, one for the soundboard that's inside and one for the fire button, with a MOSFET switch. You can hear and see lights. Let's get this thing to focus in on here. One. It's just not going to do it. Let's see. There we go. Since the claws don't open, I had to make a green plastic extension to take the 510 socket out past the claws so that it sits flush with the claws and also so that the LEDs can be seen. Two switches were mounted inside here, one for the fire and one for the sound. There's the sound, and then of course the fire button. It also has USB charge on the back side so that it can charge the internal battery without having to be taken apart.
No, he isn't. He's upstairs.
Universal remote control. Now a sonic screwdriver vaping mod. This is not the plastic version that I normally make. It is made of metal. There are a couple of plastic pieces in it, but very few. Very solid, very heavy. It was quite fun building this bad boy.